Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to get bank statement in Natwest app 2025. If you're a Natwest customer, getting your bank statement on the go is a breeze with their updated app. This feature is super handy for tracking expenses, preparing taxes, or just keeping an eye on your finances. We'll walk through it step by step, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Natwest app installed on your smartphone. Head to your app store, search for Natwest, and update if needed. It's 2025, so everything's even more user-friendly now. Step 1. Open the Natwest app and log in using your secure credentials. Remember, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. Next, navigate to the Accounts section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your linked accounts. Select the one you want the statement for, whether it's your current account, savings, or credit card. Now, look for the Statements or Transaction History option. It might be under a menu icon or directly on the account page. Tap that, and you'll be prompted to choose a statement period. Options could include the last month, 3 months, or a custom date range. Pick what suits you best. After selecting the period, hit View or Download. The app will generate your statement as a PDF, which you can view in the app or save to your device. If you need to share it, just use the Share button, easy peasy. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the app freezing or not loading, double-check your internet connection or restart the app. Natwest's in-app chat support is top-notch for 2025, so don't hesitate to reach out. And there you have it. You've successfully grabbed your bank statement in the Natwest app. This process is designed to be quick and secure, helping you stay on top of your finances without any hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.